Update orders eliminates the time-consuming steps involved in changing order details for dozens or hundreds of quotes or orders in the Sage 300 order entry module. It lets you change multiple orders when the components of a bill of material or a kit have changed, when the expected ship date of one or more items has changed, when a price list has changed, when one item needs to be substituted for another, when a customer address changes, affecting active or standing orders, or when a large number of orders need to be held or taken off hold. You simply select the update action, specify the changes, and choose a range of orders. Update Orders updates the orders quickly and accurately in a single operation. Let's launch Update Orders. First, you choose what needs to be updated. For example, if an item is out of stock and you have to update the expected ship date on all orders, you choose Update Item Expected Ship Date, choose Specific Item, select the item, specify the expected ship date, I'll move it to January 24th, and depending on whether you ship partial orders, update the order expected ship date too. Now you can select the orders to be changed. In this case, we'll choose All Orders. You can also select additional criteria to select orders using a wide selection of order fields. When you click the Load button, all of the orders or quotes that match the criteria will be displayed. You can double-click an order number to display the full order details. You can use the Select All and Select None buttons, and you can double-click the Include column to make your selections. To finish, click the Process button, and the operation is complete. Another common procedure is an address update. In this case, you choose which addresses you're updating. The new addresses are pulled from the customer record, and then specify the customers that you're updating. Again, when I click the Process button, the operation is complete. Update Orders is very flexible. To update kit or BOM numbers, you simply specify the item number of the kit or BOM and the kit or BOM number from and to. You can also specify the ID and password for the person approving price changes resulting from different kit or BOM numbers. And you could select orders by customer number or order number. If substituting items, you fill in the to and from items information on the item list form. Choose the substitution options you require. The program lets you restrict substitutions to unshipped orders and keep the price of the original item. Or you can specify the ID and password for the person approving price changes resulting from item substitution. Again, you can select a range of orders. Let's select the orders for a single customer, 1105. Once again, I'll click the Load button to display the orders and quotes, and then click the Process button, and the operation is complete. Like most Tyrox products that perform potentially large changes, Update Orders keeps a daily log file, which you can see here. That completes a quick look at Update Orders, one of the Tyrox productivity tools for Sage 300. Please visit the Tyrox website for more detailed information about productivity tools and other Tyrox products.